If you go through the March issue of the journal, you will find 6 articles in Bank Audit, on Bank Audit in this particular issue. It starts from page 85 to 125. They are really beautiful. I went through a few of them and it will definitely give you a good background. I think though there is time constraint, I would request all the members to read these 6 articles before you commence your audit. And I don't want to take much of our time today. In order to brush up our skills and to train us, we have 2 faculties with us, CA Sri Priya, also a regional council member, and Sri PR Suresh. CA Sri Priya has already come to Trivandrum. She has checked in a nearby hotel. She got the train only very late in the night and she's tired, and she'll be coming after 11:30. The program is like this. PR Suresh will handle advances for the next 1.5 hours. By that time, Srimati Sri Priya will come and take over the session from him. And again in the afternoon, Mr. Suresh, CA Suresh will continue with his seminar on, I may conduct class on Bank Audit. Mr. CA Suresh will be focusing more on advances, and Sri Priya will be covering all other aspects of Bank Audit, and she will also give some training on the technical aspects of it. My duty is here today as chair of the branch is to welcome these 2 faculties to our branch. Today we have in our ministers right now Sri PR Suresh. He came all the way from Bangalore in morning flight, and that shows his commitment and dedication to the profession. You will hear more about him when he is formally introduced by our past chairman C. Hari to you. So on behalf of all of us present here, sir, I extend you a hearty welcome. I also extend a hearty welcome to all the members who have assembled here to take part in today's Bank Audit seminar. Thank you one and all. Mr. C. Hari, please come and introduce. Will come and introduce the faculty, Sri PR Suresh. C. Hari.
Good morning, members. It's a privilege for me to introduce our faculty for the day, CA PR Suresh. He is a SARC member. PR Suresh has been in continuous practice since 1988 and has the distinction of qualifying CA before completion of articles under his Guru Sri CP Ethirajan, Bangalore. He is presently partner of Messrs. Chandran and Raman, Chartered Accountants. And he has brought out useful books on due diligence, VAT, service tax, statutory registrations under various statutes, networking of firms, etc. He was elected as Vice Chairman of SARC of ICA for the year 2013-14, having served as Secretary during 2009-10 and as Treasurer during 2012-13. He is currently member of SARC, having contributed significantly as Chairman of Research Committee of SARC of ICA, and has undertaken extensive research activities in the southern region, constituting research subgroups on indirect taxes to come out with a concept paper on GST transitions provision. On direct taxes, he studied the international practices, transfer pricing provisions, the relevance and extent of applicability to advise government on changes required under domestic transfer pricing. On corporate law, studying the CSR, its opportunities for members, bringing out an approach paper on the triple bottom reporting, on sustainability reporting, business responsibility reporting and financial reporting, etc. He is a resource person on many technical subjects. He has served as chairman or member of various committees of the SARC. He has taken up initiatives for active committee functioning, setting up key performance indicators and measurable delivery by each of the committee. And his major contributions include revitalizing and reviving SICASA, futuristic contributions on Committee for Review of Education and Training for CA course, technical participation and support in exposure drafts, views, suggestions and comments on matters of technical expertise on accounting and auditing standards, active and healthy contributions in the council and committee deliberations, exploring concurrent audit opportunities in insurance sector and holding extensive programs on capital markets and investors protection, etc. Having a keen eye for service to members and students, he has identified and initiated many new student